Welcome to Stack. In this video, you will learn how to change your screen resolution using the Ubuntu command line. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to customize their display settings quickly without using the graphical user interface. Open this terminal and run the following command. This will list your display devices. Note the display name. It's usually something like VGA1, HDMI1, or DP1. Next, type this command to generate the resolution model. This will output the new mode arguments you will need for the next step. Now add the new mode to xrandr. Use the resolution with the refresh rate and copy the output from the previous step. Then add this new mode to your display using the following command. Once that's done, close the terminal and go to Settings. Display. You should now be able to select the new resolution. And that's it. Today you learned how to change your screen resolution using the Ubuntu command line. For more Linux tips, like and subscribe to Stack.